Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's get a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Fu. We're joined by Bloomberg's Emily Ruffeo. Emily, what are you looking at today?
Okay, so I'm looking at shares of Nike, ticker NKE. They're down about 10% right now. Reported earnings on Thursday. Their third quarter guidance disappointed investors. It wasn't that bad, but they expect third quarter sales to be down low single digits, gross margins to shrink by roughly 2 percentage points due to tariffs.
Yeah,
I can't believe we're still talking about tariffs, but they are still something that is absolutely weighing on companies here. The company also reported weak sales in China and weak sales in the Converse brand, which anecdotally feels right.
You don't wear Converse, Chuck Taylors?
I love Converse. I was a big Converse person, like in high school. But I don't see them on the street anymore.
Yeah, because you're not in high school anymore, and nor is most
true.
of them.
Do high schoolers wear? You know some high schoolers. Right?
I think they wear Uggs.
Yes. Yeah, I feel like other sneakers are trending right now. Adidas, the Sambas, some of the the Converse.
What's a Hoka?
Not so much.
That's
The
a thing, too.
Hokas.
That's a Deckers brand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You think maybe they'll come back in style, but we did see that those shares down, and then a cut over at Citi. So they had their price target cut to $65 a share from $70.
So it's proving to be a choppy or rocky turnaround. It's not very linear at this point. What's next?
So this is another turnaround story, FedEx, because their CEO is looking to turn around the business here and push FedEx ground and air freight networks together and slash costs. The latest earnings giving us maybe a mixed picture on how well that's going, at least in the near term. The stock is down about 2% right now, ticker FDX. It was down as much as 5.6%. It was the biggest intraday drop since June. Pairing losses, they did upgrade their full year targets, but to a lower magnitude than the second quarter earnings beat. And then they raised the low end of the profit outlook. So helped by volume and pricing gains in the US, but the company also said they expect a $600 million hit to adjusted earnings due to higher costs from the grounding of some of their cargo jets.
MD-11s. Yeah,
the MD-11s. You're a big shipping person, right?
I love the MD-11. It's a great plane, but boy, it's old. One more.
Okay, finally, a biopharma company, BioMarin, ticker BMRN. It's up 17%, biggest jump since November 2016 on deal news. They agreed to buy Amicus Therapeutics for about $4.8 billion. And this is a company that has treatments for rare diseases. So investors are taking this as now BioMarin is going to be able to expand its portfolio of treatments.
And it has pricing power for these rare diseases.
Oh, okay.
They all do.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.